Hi and welcome back to Holistic Developer. How are you doing? I hope you are doing okay in these weird times that we are living in and we are making progress, whatever small or big it is. As long as we are moving forward, then that's, I believe, a good accomplishment. In this video, I want to address why experienced software engineers will attend a technical bootcamp. And a lot of people know what a bootcamp is and some are not. So let's make sure that we are on the same page on this. So what is a technical bootcamp? A technical bootcamp is an accelerated program for people who want to learn to code, people who want to level up their skills in the tech industry. And a lot of people have that misconception that it's only for entry level. And this video is dedicated to address that because yes, there are certain boot camps that are really, really high level. And I believe that a great boot camp for people who want to enter into the tech industry, which the people who want to get their foot in the door. And there are boot camps that are really, really intensive and they are suited for different levels of people, from entry level to advanced level. And one reason that people get confused with this is that they believe that once you have been software engineering for a while, let's say it might be a year or longer or something like that, if you're experienced in software engineering, then you know everything about software engineering. And I don't think there's one person who knows everything about software engineering. And as long as you are learning new skills and you're looking for ways to stay relevant in the tech industry, that's an admiration or a skill that all the developers should have. They need to be able to learn and continue adapting to the changes that are happening in the tech industry. I want to start with this with a preface. Should all software engineers attend bootcamps? No, there are different ways of acquiring new skills. You can learn by yourself. You can go to, if you want, you can go to university for a semester. You can attend a bootcamp, or you can do a course that is a week or a weekend or a day. There are different levels. You can learn your skills online. You can learn by yourself. You can pick up a book. There are so many different reasons to grow your skills and different ways of accomplishing that. I want to address the reasons why software engineers who already have experience, that do know how to program, would attend a technical bootcamp. So let's start with those reasons. First, a bootcamp will allow you to update your skill set, right? You maybe went to a software engineering career. Maybe you attended, let's say, a university and you studied their computer engineering, computer science, right? And you probably, maybe during that time, you learned C, C++, and then in your job you end up, let's say, writing Java, right? And then you want to switch your career, or a new project at your current job is happening that requires you to be able to do, let's say, Angular or something else. In that case, you need to level up. So an option might be that you are attending a bootcamp. Yes, before you jump up at me and say, wait a minute, but there's a lot of time, a lot of commitment to do a bootcamp. That's true. So it might be that there are many reasons, but one reason of attending a bootcamp is that to update your skill set. How you're doing, that's a different topic. That's not what I'm addressing. How do you do it? I'm talking about why would an experienced software engineer attend a bootcamp. The next one is that you want to acquire those skills really fast because technology is changing really fast. So if you want to get into, let's say, web development, but you were doing mobile development for a while, you might consider to go to college and study those. But again, because tech is changing so fast, what is new now and hot might change to something else, or what is popular right now, it won't be around anymore. So you might go to college and you will study for 4 years, and when you graduate, that's no longer available, no longer relevant. That's what I'm trying to say. And the bootcamp will allow you to get those skills really fast, somewhere from 3 months to 9 months, somewhere in between, depending on the bootcamp that you're choosing, right? So it's a really fast way to get the skills that you're looking for. And you in tech, you cannot, tech is so big, I would say. You can do mobile development, game development, you can do desktop application development, web development. There's so much, machine learning, big data, so much. So if you're experienced in one area, that doesn't mean that you know the other area. So here are the reasons, another reason why you attend a technical bootcamp as a software engineer who has already experience. The last reason might be the following reason. The following reason might be that you want to rediscover the joy of programming. So let's say at your job you have to develop always something for years or for a long period of time. It's exactly the same project and becomes something tedious or something that doesn't bring you joy anymore. So another reason to attend a technical bootcamp is to rediscover that joy and that curiosity towards programming, because at coding bootcamps you're doing different projects and you could do those projects by yourself. But again, if you're looking for something that will keep you motivated, keep you going, a bootcamp will be great because you will have different pushes from your community, from your cohort, so you're not alone in that. Somebody might say, but you can do that at home, alone, or with Udemy course or something like that. All of those resources are great, but at the same time, the projects that they're doing there, it's one project, right? And the projects that you might be doing at the bootcamp, you choose the topic you want to do, and it's something new that you're learning, so you'll be accomplishing what you're planning to do and your project, the idea that you're developing. But at the same time, because it's a new topic, you have the guidance you need in case that you are stuck, roadblock, and you actually get feedback, immediate feedback from the professionals who are in that area, experts, let's say that. Another reason that a lot of people considering a valid reason to go to a coding bootcamp as software engineers is the networking and the connection that you're getting. If you're in your job for a long time, let's say like me, I've been in a job for 8 years, you might be not so well with your communications, you don't have a well developed network, and in tech industry, also a lot of times you get the best jobs, the best opportunities when you have a great connection. So attending a technical bootcamp is a great way to freshen up the skills you need to pass an interview, or different skills required to connect with people, and also develop and groom your network, because you are working with potential future software engineers who might be a reference for you. And also you are attending different conferences and different meetups that are hosted by the bootcamp you're attending, and so on. So that's another reason. So here are the reasons that I believe a software engineer might attend a technical bootcamp in this modern day and age. And there might be different reasons. People might prefer to learn by themselves. People might like the environment of a class. There are different reasons that a software engineer with experience would choose this path. Here, I will tell you the reasons why I chose to attend a technical bootcamp, even though I have experience programming, right? Because I posted a video recently, and I will link it here, that I said that I left my job and then I started to attend a coding bootcamp. and I had a lot of questions and comments like, why an experienced software engineer would attend a technical bootcamp, or like, why do you need a software engineering bootcamp if you already have experience in this area? You could learn this by yourself. And all of those are true. Yes, I could learn that by myself, but the reasons why I chose to go to a technical bootcamp are the following. From the moment that I became a parent, my time became so much more valuable to me than it used to be. And I don't know how to explain that in other words, but that is just the reality. The time value for me changed forever since I became a parent. And the things that I need to do in the same amount I used to do changed. I have to do more and accomplish more. So yes, I could have learned by myself. However, my schedule is so hectic right now. I have so many things to do. And for me to learn something, for me to figure out, oh, I need to learn this. I need to know this, to research this. I need to apply it here. I didn't have the desire and the energy to actually do that. I wanted a program that is already developed. It's already put into practice. A lot of people went through it, and it seems that it's working for a lot of people. That's one of the reasons that it's already a program that gives you structure in the time when I kind of feel that I'm lacking structure, because being a parent, it's really hard to plan for things. Even if you plan, things are never going as you are planning and preparing for. And yeah, it's basically the reason that it's structure, accountability. And because when you're learning by yourself, and even if you're really disciplined, in a week or 2 or 3, you might get bored. It's like, oh, I'll do that later, or oh, I'll go and play with my kid, and then I'll do that tomorrow. Today I'm taking a break, and then that day becomes 2 days, and then it becomes 3 days, and so on. And you'll probably learn something, but you stopped somewhere, because there's this messy middles. It's easy to start, but it's kind of hard to continue when you get into the middle. So that's another reason I like the accountability, that I need to be there from 8 to 5. I need to do my homework afterwards. I have a structure and I know what is needed to be done. There you go. Here are the reasons that a software engineer might decide to attend a technical bootcamp, even though it has experience in developing software. If the person decides to do that or not, it's completely up to them. But here are the reasons why somebody might consider, and as well the reasons why I decided to attend a technical bootcamp. So I'm curious to hear your opinion. If you were to attend a technical bootcamp, why would you do it? I'm curious to see if there are any reasons that I missed in my enumerated list of reasons. So feel free to drop them in the comments below, or any other comments you want to leave. I'll be happy to read all of them and give you my thoughts and ideas on that. So as always, please like this video. It helps me a lot. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know there is a red button somewhere below there that allows you to subscribe to this channel. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll get notified every time where a new video is coming up into this channel. And I can promise you the next videos will be even better than the ones before. As always, I'm wishing you happy engineering and a lot of good energy sending your way, and talk to you next time. Bye bye.